All right, welcome back, traders. Hopefully you guys had a wonderful weekend. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I am live apparently, but it says I need to change my video resolution. Can you guys see me, hear me? Everything good here? Let's get some ones in the chat if everything is good. Alright, so first thing I want to discuss, guys, is I know we discussed this last week, right? Or actually, I did a surprise stream for you guys on Wednesday. I said if Bitcoin closes above 34.6K, we put in a weekly bullish engulfing candle. We just opened a new hourly candle, guys, and where are we? 34.6K, guys. I think this is the week, man. This is the week we're gonna see a reversal in the crypto market. Let's get some hype in the chat for that. We've been waiting for a couple months now for this price action to come in. Looks like we're finally going to get it, all right? And right here on this chart, we're looking at USDT.dominance. And what this is telling us right now is we're in this rising wedge. Right? We have a clear breakdown on the rising wedge. Even though right now it does say it's up 0.18%. I am kind of taking that with a grain of salt because we're putting in a weekly bearish engulfing candle, right, guys? We have about an hour left to this day, but right now it's looking pretty good for the bulls right now, right? It's looking pretty good. We have obviously on the daily chart here, it's going to be looking a little bit different. But you can see we have this clear breakdown here. We even back tested this, and we're putting in another bearish candle here today, or maybe not completely bearish, but obviously not a green candle, right? So it does look pretty good. We did see this divergence play out here on the daily time scale, and we can see the 1, 2, 3 triple, right, divergence here on the MACD oscillator, basically telling us we're going to see downside, right? We're going to see downside coming in on this asset, and we're going to go to Bitcoin chart, and it's going to look like the complete opposite. Okay, it's going to look like the complete opposite chart, right? There it is. The complete opposite chart, guys. Inverse rect. Come on. Yeah, so we had quite a breakthrough here on the 3-day. If you guys were paying attention to the RSI, this RSI here was kind of just downsloping, consolidating for quite some time. We finally got a break here, right? We got an RSI breakout. This is the break we were looking to see for quite some time. We finally got it. No, we're not completely bullish yet here on the 3-day, but we're starting to make moves out of this wedge pattern. You can start to see the momentum start to shift here, right? We have this bullish divergence shown here on the oscillator, which is telling us we're going to see price action to the upside, okay? This is exactly what we want to see here. This is a pivot area. Everyone is super, super bearish in this market, which I mean, listen, guys, I'm a perma bull for Bitcoin, obviously long term, and listen, man, I don't want to see this asset continue to go down, even though it might. Listen, we're going to go through ebbs and flows in this market. Obviously, we go through cycles and stuff. But when you have a Gartley setup like this, we did give an entry here like early last week on Monday, right? I don't know if you guys were around for that, but we said that this could be the bottom. We're starting to make bottoming formations here. And here we are. We broke right out of this wedge. We're now consolidating right below this major resistance line. It looks like we're probably going to break this. There was some big news today about Amazon maybe accepting crypto payments. It's just so interesting and funny to me when all these great news articles come out when the technicals are pointing to the upside. It's just when you get that, it just kind of exacerbates the situation, right? So it's perfect, right? It's perfect. It's like the perfect storm. So we're targeting here in the short term around 36.4K, which is the top side targets here of this Gartley setup. And obviously the wedge, the falling wedge major swing target is all the way up here around 51,300 US dollars, which is the top of this wedge formation that started here back in May. So let's get some hype in the chat, huh? Shall we get some hype in the chat for this? Come on, guys. Where you guys at? Come on. Weekly bullish engulfing candle, reversal candle right off the bottom of the range here. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is exactly what we want to see, guys. This is exactly what we want to see. All right. Hype. Yeah, man. Nobody's paying attention right now to the crypto market, I promise you. Most people are Indeed, indeed. This is the best time to pay attention to the crypto market, when nobody's paying attention to it. BTC to 10K, yeah, alright, crypto. Crypto pace car, Mike. You wish, buddy. We all hope it goes to 10K, man. Thanks, UFO, man. Appreciate all your support, man. Really do appreciate you, man. Appreciate all you guys. Indeed, man, indeed. Indeed. Angel, man, it's, I mean, listen, dude, like, I don't know, bro. I mean, like, what else do you want this chart to tell you, dude? Like, the 3-day chart here just screaming, yo, we're going higher on the price. We're coming out of this negative momentum. You know, we are going to probably get up to this, like, you know, 36K area and probably pull back here. All right, it's going to happen. It's not just going to go straight up, man. It's not just going to go straight up. No, there's no golden cross right now. Guys, the crosses are actually lagging indicators, though, all right? So make sure you guys understand that. People are like, oh, we got a Bitcoin death cross. Yes, we did get a Bitcoin death cross. It happened a while ago. We already saw a significant drawdown on the price, too, when that did happen. Any CME gap fans? Yeah. There's a gap at what, like 24 or 32? Like I said, we could go to 36K and pull back to 32K as long as we make a higher low than this low at 29.8. We're going to be good. We're going to be good, okay? So, I mean, call it what you will. Yeah, maybe it's a sucker's rally up to the moving average here around 41. Okay, even if it's a sucker's rally, you'll have a chance to get out of your assets if you want up here. Right? I'm not saying that this is a... I'm not saying that this is the complete reversal in the entire crypto market and we're going back into a major bull run. No, I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is we're going to get this wedge breakout, which is what we're getting, and we're targeting close to this $40,000 area, you know, 36K first maybe, and maybe we get a pullback there. Appreciate that, Angel. Yep, appreciate that. So, yeah. Did you guys want to look at any other? We're gonna look at. We're gonna look at. We're gonna look at. Great. Yeah, absolutely. We're gonna look at ETH here. Okay. So similar type of thing happening here. I actually have let's see. So we were impending this death cross here on ETH. Looks like we're about to negate it. All right, we're going to close above this area right here, the 50-day moving average on the daily. Oh, Lena, yeah, you guys like that? Hex will kill BTC. Yeah, maybe it will. Yeah, so here's Ethereum, guys, and yeah, we're looking at, you know, the same kind of setup here as Bitcoin's. And actually, this actually looks a lot more bullish than Bitcoin, to be honest with you guys. And look where we're, oh my God, look where we're back testing right now. The 236 fib extension. This is insane, right? We're getting this back test here, and ETH is going to be off to the races, right up to this $23 to $2,500 area. The next fib extension up here, and maybe up to this 200-day moving average. Joey, good evening. How are you? So we got this nice little wedge set up here, guys. This looks primed for a move. Primed for a move. All right. So ETH BTC, we can take a look at that. Sure. Let's go ETH BTC. I think I had this chart on the Bitfinex chart last I checked. Yeah. So. Yep, just kind of consolidating in this flag pattern here. Or maybe a symmetrical triangle. I would say more so a symmetrical triangle. And these could break either direction. And if I really had to guess right now, it might actually break down, because we want to see Bitcoin recover, and also the dominance here is respecting this trend line. All right, so we might see alts kind of lag a little bit as Bitcoin makes its recovery. All right. What did Ryan say? XRP. Let's take a look at XRP. XRP was in a massive harmonic setup there, or maybe just a wedge pattern, however you want to see it. But it's still in this major structure, guys. I mean, nothing really much has changed here on this chart, right? We had this big breakout, and now we had this back test here. You know, we may not be aligning perfectly with the parabola, but you guys can kind of get the idea. You know what's happening here. I mean, the weekly chart isn't a bullish engulfing candle, but it could just be a doji candle, a weekly doji candle reversal candle. As you can see right now, Bitcoin is ripping, right, 34,800, and ripping into the close here, which is what we want to see, all right, which is what we want to see. And XRP setting up for a move. All right, setting up. ADA, we can look at ADA, sure. So rectangle bottom with maybe some sort of wedge formation or descending triangle formation, right? But these can break to the upside, right? Like 53% of the time, we're going to see these break to the upside. LTC, Joe? Yeah, we can look at LTC, sure. Lena, let's take a look at Lena, yeah. I think I just put a trade out on Lena. Yeah, nice falling wedge pattern here. We get above this 236 fib extension, we could easily see, you know, upwards of 6 to, you know, 12 cents in that range. And this could even be like a long-term trend line here that it's respecting, okay? Maybe it looks to me like a channel up type of setup here. Pretty close, but nice wedge, right? We could easily see this go to like 84 cents by the end of the rally, maybe. That's right, CME is printing a breakaway gap up. so many different charts I have this on. I think this is the one though. All right. Yeah, so this candle right now, if we close like this, but we got about 45 minutes left on this candle. That would suck if we got like some fake out rejection here, which is maybe what it looks like is happening. No, don't dump. Can you please check out SLP? SLP? Is this some sort of coin? Here, let's check it out. Convert to stable coin? There's really not too much data here, man, on this coin. It looks too new, really. But it looks like it's just consolidating up here. Right, you're just sitting in this range up here. Could come down to the bottom of the range again. Take a look at some oscillators here. So you're holding bullish here on the daily. I mean, you did maybe have a bit of a cross down. Not really too much help here from the oscillators. Now you're making lower highs right now. If I had to guess, it'll be a more long drawn out pattern, and it could come down to the bottom and just chop around here, or it could break down too. You know, I don't know. It really depends on what Bitcoin ends up doing, but I think Bitcoin's gonna end up breaking up. So the most likely scenario, if Bitcoin breaks up, is this will break up with it, right? So you're just gonna looks like you're just gonna consolidate here in this range for a bit on this asset. Okay. Could come down to the bottom of the range as well, like 21 cents. If you start breaking 21, man, you know, there's not really too much up here. You're gonna like go back to like 16 cents. Right, there isn't really too much price data on this asset. These are your levels, man. These are your levels. So, yeah, like 20 cents if you start breaking down. You don't really want to break this low, man. All right. All right, let's go look at Matic. So Matic, a nice falling wedge pattern as well. Got the breakout, and looks like you're back testing the breakout right now. You are, let's see. So forget what moving averages those are. We have green and blue. So green is the 50, and blue is the 100. So yeah, no death cross or anything, just a simple moving average cross down. Just resting here on top of the wedge, right? I don't want to give financial advice, man, but it looks pretty good. All right, looks pretty good. Less. As long as Bitcoin closes above 34.6, I think we're going to be just fine. What? They don't pause the trading. No, that doesn't happen. Yeah. We got 23 people watching the stream tonight. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me here before I have my surgery here this week. So I really want to thank you guys for coming to hang out with me. And make sure you guys smash up the like button. You guys know the drill. Hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. And tick the little bell. We got some S coins that have had some big days. Let's see. Augur making some moves. All the gaming tokens are making moves right now. Thanks, Ryan. Appreciate that. IJ Money, hopefully just a day or two, man. Thanks, guys. Appreciate that. Yeah, Augur looks pretty interesting here. I want to say all the gaming tokens look interesting. If you guys have a gaming token, just throw it in the chat. I want to take a look at it. All the NFT or, you know, whatever gaming tokens there are. I know Engine Coin is one of them. SLP is a gaming token, right? Okay, yeah. Engine, yeah. Look at Engine Coin. I know, man, but I don't want to touch that thing. It's already in the moon. I want to buy something that isn't in the moon. You guys remember the Engine Coin setup here? Do you guys remember this, man? Come on. You guys see the link setup, man? This thing looks ridiculous. Look at that 3-day candle. I think we got a weekly reversal here too. Dragonfly Doji. Right at the bottom of the trend. I mean, like, this is the stuff that this is like textbook stuff, guys. Textbook stuff. Alice, falling wedge breakout. Right? Audio, falling wedge breakout. Engine was one of Tika's picks, yeah. That looks interesting here, guys. I gave a setup on Bitcoin Cash. This is another one that I was looking at, Hedgic. This broke the channel here on volume. Highest volume it's ever seen, right? Something's going on there. CRO. Yeah, we went through CRO the other day, all right, on the stream. This had a nice, nice up channel here. Beautiful trend line, right? One touch, and a higher low. You know, eventually you could see prices do something like this, where we go to the top of the channel. Chili's, man, this thing looks like it's ready to fly. Cody also, right? Falling wedge breakout. All right, well, where do you guys think we're going to close here? We got 34 minutes left till the weekly candle close. Let's see some price estimates here in the chat. What do you guys think? Where's Bitcoin going to close tonight? What do you guys think? I want to hear what you guys think. $34,620, $34,680. I'm gonna go ahead and say above 35K for the weekly close tonight. We just broke a major resistance line right here, right now, live on stream. There we go, guys. 35.3 is the target. We got a couple wicks up here. Indeed, Bobby. Indeed. Indeed, buddy. Indeed. Notice pumping the price. Let's go! Here we go, we're breaking the wick. It's happening right on live stream. We just made a technical higher high. We hit 34,892 live on stream, boys and girls.
Pretty strong candle there. Are we gonna continue higher, guys? What do you think? There's no real resistance. We got a couple wicks here, and then we can go straight to 35.3. Jackie, you pouring shots? What kind of shots you got, Jack? Yeah, pour me a shot. I'll do it live on stream with you. Come on. $35,298. That's what I'm gonna say. We're gonna get close to that here before the weekly close. Come on, Jackie, pour me some shots. Let's go. I know we have some tequila. I don't have any Jaeger. Alright, so these are the levels, guys. Right, the weekly candle closures here. The previous week's candle closes. We got some tight range stuff going up here. And then we have, 39K, and then nothing really here until about 46.4. So I think the real wedge target, the real falling wedge target, is right around there, 46.4. All right, when we do get there, she's 3 shots in. Oh boy.
She's not really drinking. Oh man. Come on, here we go. We're gonna break 35K. Come on. Was she on around the blockchain? Oh, but she actually brought me a shot. Are you gonna take a shot with me?
I told you I need 3 shots.
Yeah. Right. What kind of shots? Yeah.
Very expensive.
Okay, boys and girls. What is this? Is this tequila? What? I can't hear you. Cheers, guys. Woo! $35K, let's go! There it is, guys. 35K live on stream. Come on! Woo! I think this week is going to be really a Bitcoin show, guys. All right? We got some big news, right? Like Amazon, Bank of America. Just so happened that all these big news articles come out right when the technicals align. Did you guys see this news, man? This is the Cointelegraph news. Amazon plans to accept Bitcoin payments this year, claims insider. Interesting, interesting, interesting. In addition to accepting Bitcoin, Amazon is said to be exploring the creation of its own cryptocurrency. Wow. Amazing news. What do you know? News right on a breakout. Interesting. But that is pretty big news, right? Amazon? Come on. Come on. Man, this is like the perfect wedge here, boys and girls. This is what I love to trade, man. These wedges. 35.3 inbound. 22 minutes left on the weekly. Let's see what the What's up, Todd? I can't play it, man. I can't play it. We gotta be we got monetization to F that up if we do it. F didn't break 2200 yet. 2190. All right, 35.3. We were talking about it before. It's actually, yeah, 35.3. Todd, everyone's lit. Because on Wednesday we called the bottom. Come on. Come on. Is that another shot for me? Oh boy. Alright guys, I'm on round 2. Is this tequila?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Cheers guys! Nice. I mean, another one would have been okay. How about another one?
Third one?
Yeah. That was not. Let's go! Play Pump It Up. You know, if I do that, I'll get flagged on the stream for lack of whatever copyright shenanigans. What are these, like baby shots? Are you scared or something? Cheers, guys. We're going for a third. We have a special request for GRT. GRT, man. Yeah, I don't know. This doesn't look too hot. It did make a double bottom, though. But it's like rejecting this this trend line that I had drawn here a while ago, Todd. But there is... let's see, the 4-hour chart. Let's see what we got going on here. Yeah, we have another maybe double bottom coming in here. Right, another bottom here. Whew. All right, so GRT in a TTM squeeze on the 4-hour time scale. So obviously Bollingers are squeezing here. We could see continuation up to this, at least to this trend line here, right? 57. Yeah, it's pretty wrecked, man. I actually own a bag of this shenanigans. Right around this 50 cent area. I traded this when I entered this triangle down here. This big run up. So yeah, I mean, I think either up to this trend line that I drew here that it had like this fake break on like the larger time scale, right? I mean, maybe ultimately it can get back to at least to the price flow area here, right? Like right on 63 cents. And ultimately probably to this dotted line, right confluent with this Bollinger Band. So maybe 72 as the top side target of the range. And maybe eventually, if this asset starts to really, turn itself around, and this asset looks like shit, to be honest, man. Doesn't it? Like, there's definitely other shit coins you could be trading. This one doesn't look so hot. Maybe on the smaller time. Well, the smaller time frames look okay. The hourly looking pretty good, actually. Right? Yeah, a major squeeze on the hourly chart. So we could be seeing a big move here in the short term. Maybe within the next day, if this squeeze breaks up. This actually looks pretty good, yeah, on the hourly chart. Yeah, right up to like 57, I would say, man. Right to the top here, to the top of this range. Nice, I like it. Bottom, double bottom on the hourly, right? Oh, the snap trade? Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. That wedge, man. That was some effing wedge, dude. Wow. And we actually showed it to them on Wednesday, man. This gap, dude, after we broke out of this wedge. Come on, man. That falling wedge trade setup here. And then we got confirmation that it was a golden signal. Forget it. I was like, yo, I'm buying this. I'm in on this trade, man. It doesn't matter. I didn't even watch the trade until earnings, man. I didn't even watch it because I was like, man, this thing's just gonna flop around until that earnings play comes out, and bam, dude. We had a target of 82. I think I sold it Monday morning around 78 bucks. I actually went live on Discord that morning to show everybody what we did there. That was a nice trade setup. Falling wedge played out beautifully. It ran to 79. Yeah, whatever, man. I didn't saw the exact top, but it's all good. It was up like 270% or something silly. I was fine with that, man. I was fine with that. Yeah, it looks like it's setting up for maybe another continuation here Monday. All right. Yeah, I'm targeting at least to 82, and obviously the chances of it going to 100 bucks are really high, right? A stock that reaches over $80 more than likely will get to that $100 area. And just on the bottom of the range, the top of the range, 52%. Once you broke this range, you're looking at 52% measured move, right? So that's putting you well over to the $100 area. Obviously anywhere in this range, right? Anywhere in this range. So, absolutely, man. We probably could have held on to that option a bit longer, but hey, man. I mean, let's not be greedy, right? Let's book a big win when you got one, What's Bitcoin doing? Did we get to 55.3? Not quite. We're almost there. 35.8 is like the first take profit on the Gartley setup here, though. Beautiful. I don't know what I said. What did I say, guys? I don't remember. Todd, BZRX, man. Our favorite shitcoin to trade, man. Look at this hammer here on the daily. Look at this back test. This is gonna rip right out of here tomorrow, man. Perfect. So much room to run on this, man. At least to like 38 cents, right? I know, I know. How about Chili's though, man? Chili's at least going to 30 cents, right? When this thing has moves, they are explosive moves. Oh man, this thing looks like it's gonna go to the effing moon. Look at this thing. Look at this divergence. It's on a 3-day chart. Look at it. Let's go to the daily. Oh man, silly. Silly Chili's. That looks pretty good, man. Pretty good. Cody also is another one. Nice falling wedge here. Let's go! How about Dent Coin, man? This thing is gonna rip out. Yeah. How about Dot? Dot's pretty good. 1450 take profit area on Dot. First take profit. Looks like. Algorand was a good little trade setup, man. This thing broke out today. Cosmos, I think I gave a setup on this too. Yeah, AXS, yeah, that thing is unstoppable. Cosmos though, look at that beautiful back test on that 236 fib extension. You know, double bottoming here on the 3-day time scale. Beautiful. Nice divergence here on the 3-day. Balancer looking good here. At least you can probably swing this up to 32 bucks, man. Couple week trade maybe. XLM, yeah. Take a look at it. Yep. Broke out of the wedge, right? Came up to this neckline, touched it. Now back testing this area, right? Beautiful. It's exactly what you want to see. And now just kind of chilling right here, right? Band to make her dance. What is Band doing? Shit coin. Looks like it's rounding out here, right? We had that wedge break. It hit that median trend line here. Came back down and made a double bottom, right? Not quite a double bottom. But I guess wick-wise, maybe. Let's go to the weekly and see what's going on here. Yeah, I don't know about banned, to be honest. Maybe. I mean, there is some hidden bullish divergence here. We could probably get a move up. Maybe up to 850 or something. More short term, probably 675 area. But yeah, I don't know. Fuck banned. Alice was the trade, man. This one was beautiful. I just gave Lena. Oh, you want cake? Yeah, let's take a look at cake. Pancake swap. Looking nice. Holding the trend line, right? Was it a nice little wedge? Broke out of the wedge. Now kind of back testing. Putting in what looks to be a double bottom on the weekly chart. Or the weekly chart. Very nice. Very nice. Jackie loves cake. Man, AXS, this thing just doesn't stop. Bat looking pretty good. Coming close to a wedge break here. She's talking about the food, obviously. 35-4, boys and girls. All right, so our next target here is 35.8. I did look at XRP earlier. You know what looked good was Zen. You were looking at Zen before on the weekly. This one's probably a good one to trade on bots. Not Todd? All right, we have a new week. Yeah, Zen looks pretty good. Pretty good on Zen there, yep. We did it, guys. Bullish engulfing candle on the weekly chart. Should be a strong week for Bitcoin. Although we could get a back test, guys. Do not forget. We could indeed get a retest or a back test of 33K. All right. All right, we have a new week. What do you guys think? What do you guys think's gonna happen, man? All right, guys and girls. Bumping around on LPS. Let's see. Yeah, absolutely nice daily candles. So, but I don't think we're just gonna go straight up from here. I think we're gonna see maybe a retest, right? But yeah, the larger term timescales look really bullish. Or they look really good. And we have lots of room to run. Okay. So 40.6K is actually probably the main target here, guys. I would say on the 3-day. But yeah, a great weekly candle closure. We got this breakout. You know, just be careful. It does kind of, I mean, it is kind of resembling a little bit of what we're doing here, right, on this bounce that we got. But the 3-day chart here wasn't looking anywhere nearly as bullish, or we weren't in this squeeze before, right? So, couple factors, variables there, kind of letting us know that this is probably a real reversal area. Okay. And obviously seeing that news with Amazon adopting Bitcoin, that's pretty big news. Like, what other big retailer would you guys want really adopting, right? Aside from maybe Apple or Walmart, or anyways, you guys get the point. So really good news coming in. Obviously aligning with technicals as well. So when you get that mixed with technicals, it's a recipe for a big move. So, looking good, guys. Looking good. All right. Make sure you guys join the Discord. Make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. If you guys are enjoying the content, make sure you guys leave a like, leave a comment down below. And we'll catch you guys hopefully next Sunday. Maybe by Sunday I should be good to go for a stream. We'll see how I'm feeling. All right. Again, thank you guys so much for your time, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.